Struggling to find your perfect shoe size? Here's how to measure your foot at home, quick and easy. Step 1, Paper and Wall Setup. Step 1, place a blank sheet of paper on the floor with your heel touching the wall. Step 2, trace the foot. Now trace around your foot slowly to capture its full shape and size. Step 3, measure foot length. Use a ruler to measure from your heel to your longest toe, that's your foot length in centimeters. Step 4, convert size. Check a shoe size chart to convert your foot length into Indian, UK, or US shoe sizes. Bonus tip, measure width. For better fit and comfort, measure the widest part of your foot too. And that's it. You found your exact shoe size at home, in just a few steps. Like this video if it helped, comment your foot size below, and don't forget to subscribe for more.